why your virtual RAM is actually slowing down your Android phone. And by the end of the video, I'm also going to provide a solution to this problem so that your phone works faster or performs better. So sometime back, I had made a video in which I'm showing you how to increase the virtual RAM for an Android device. My main motive is to help you play games better or to watch videos better by increasing the virtual RAM of your phone. Now, I have received a couple of emails and I have seen a few comments in which people are saying that their phones are heating up or the phones have become slow and stuff like that. So you have to understand this, that when you virtually increase your RAM, your phone basically uses the slower memory or UHS of your phone. So it heats up your phone and there is a lag between app switches, or sometimes your games also could lag. It is pretty common. But if you are a person who is facing a problem because you had increased your virtual RAM, you've turned it off but still your phone is slow and stuff like that, follow these steps and your phone is going to get back to normal or perform even better. So the first thing to do is get hold of your phone and turn off memory boost. So if you have that option in your settings, you get to settings and just turn it off. Just do a search for memory boost or RAM booster or whatever it is and get to this setting out here and just turn it off. Okay, click on that option, click on reboot now, and your device is going to reboot and this option is going to get turned off. The second thing for you to do is uninstall unnecessary applications. So these days we have a lot of interesting applications that we could download from Google Play. But if you're not using an application, please go ahead and uninstall it, because you never know, it may just be working in the background and slowing down your phone. The third thing for you to do is clear phone cache. So you could clear app cache individually, or you could go ahead and clear all cache for your phone at once. So according to your device, if you have a Samsung device, you may just have an option to clear all cache at once. But if you have different Android devices, maybe you have different settings, just get to settings, get to apps, click on see all apps, and then one by one, click on the application and go ahead and click on storage and cache, clear cache. You could do this one by one, or if you are getting an option to clear all cache, or you could even go ahead and do a search for 360 memory cleaner on Google Play and download an application to clear all cache for your phone from here. Next thing for you to do is restart your phone. All right. After you restart your phone, once your phone is booted correctly, you go ahead and set to default save for all of your photos or videos to your memory card. So by default, when you click a photo or when you take a video or when you download something, it gets to the phone memory. So the entire idea here is to shift that transfer or download to your memory card and not your phone memory. So you could get to settings and then click on storage. And then if you have an option to shift the storage to your memory card, go ahead and do that out here. So that whenever you take a photo or click a video or download a file or transfer anything on an application, the storage is done on the memory card and not on your phone memory. And if you do not get the option out here, you should get an option in the application to make the default storage as the phone memory card and not the phone memory. So once you do all these things on your phone, it should work smoothly and it should become faster. But if you are still facing a problem, I would suggest you go ahead and just format your phone. But even after formatting your phone, my friend, you're having a problem, then you have to get to the service center so that they could actually help you with your phone speed or your phone issue. Subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.